Hello, this is Theos Cube, and this is the biggest unboxing I've ever had. Let's get started. Oh, yes, pencil. You can't even see where I'm stabbing this. Yes, I'm beginning to see. Okay, here we go. Push this thing off screen. Here we go. We got this. This. More stuff. More stuff. Even more stuff. It just keeps coming. Okay, so this all came from Speedcube Shop. They're not sponsoring me, but this all came from there. Okay, so let's move everything kind of off to the side-ish. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. Let's start with some of the less interesting stuff. Okay, so this is a 3x3. Oh no. Oh, never mind. I don't think it's attached to begin with. This is a 3x3 barrel keychain cube. Almost got it. Yes, there we go. So it's a keychain cube. It moves kind of how you expect from a keychain cube. Not great, but I mean, it's a barrel keychain cube. What do you expect? What do you expect? Okay, let's just make it roll off. Okay, so this is thing number one. Thing number two, Shengshou Master Pyraminx. So, if you don't know what this is, if a regular Pyraminx, oh wow, this is cold. Regular Pyraminx is 3x3. It's 1, 2, 3. This thing is the 4x4. Really big. And you can swap around these centers. Finish this off. There we go. So yeah, this thing is massive because 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layers of articulation. Okay. Okay, so next we got this keychain cube. It's actually surprisingly good. It's actually a pretty good cube. These are all really cold. Okay, now we got this. There we go. Oh great, now I have to put this on again. Uh-oh. Okay. Here we go. Oh wow, actually went out pretty easily. This is not as good as any of the others. It turns pretty good. And once again, it's a keychain cube, not meant to turn good. This is the... pretty sure this is one the Black Karen cubes. I got 6 of them for a very special reason that I will get to in another video. Just not this video. Yeah. Okay. So we got all those black currants. Stickerless black currants, which is weird. Okay, so we got this Hello Cube thing. There. Open it. Oh, it's like a pinkish. Should be red. Ah, yeah, it's red. So this is a mirror 2x2. So the mirror cube. I have a mirror. I'm getting another mirror cube. I'm getting to another mirror cube. It's the height rather than the color that determines where it'll go, and it shapeshifts quite dramatically. So yeah, scramble it. Okay, here we go. Time to solve. Can never tell what piece goes where. No, I'm gonna solve it later. Wow, that's a lot of garbage. Here we go. Next cube. Wait, those are buttons. Okay, there we go. Chi 2x2x3. This thing does not have any weird parodies. It does not shapeshift at all. It doesn't have any weird shapeshifting stuff. It's just a fun cube. And I like it already. It's just pretty dry. Lubricate it. Let's try the Yushin ball 2x2. It's the world 2x2. So we have North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia, Asia, Africa, Europe. It turns good. This would be good for geography. Like, you have to put the world back together. Also, massive crater in the world. Look. Oh, my battery in the camera's running low. Oh boy. I better finish this up quickly. Anyway, yeah, it's cool and fun. It comes with a cube stand, which, I mean, it should be edited so that it's in a ball. And I don't like that it's in a cube. And it should be in a ball. Okay. These next two kind of go together. Well, I can't get the first one out of the box. This is the helicopter cube. So, hold on. There we go. This is the helicopter cube, which is really weird because it turns on the edges rather than the faces. This is my first edge turning puzzle. Oh yeah, it also jumbles, which is like turning one face, turning another face, and then doing some weird move. Does this thing jumble? Oh yeah, it definitely jumbles. Look. So it like turns and shapeshifts. I don't want to do that because it gets really complicated. Okay, so it's like turning this face like that, this face like that, turning it somehow. Okay, let's just go to the next one. The next one kind of goes with it. It is the Curvy Copter. It's basically kind of like the same thing, but it's like different because it's curvy and it has more pieces, so it's harder. Oh joy. This is actually smaller than the regular helicopter cube. And jumbling, yep, it jumbles. I'm not gonna do that. There, okay. So, next, we have, fidget spinner. Yay. I can't get it open. I'll open it later. Don't worry. Okay, now we have the 3x3 mirror cube. It's shiny. Yeah, it's cool. It's really cool. I love it. Anyway, so wow, that's the checker pattern. I wonder if you got 2 of these and you put them in checker pattern, would you be able to like put them together? I don't know. Maybe somebody could do that. That'd be cool. Do I have anything else? Yes, I do. I got this. This is a super floppy cube. But you might be saying, you already have a super floppy cube. Why are you getting another one? Because this one's stickerless and has the right color scheme. So if you don't know what a super flop, whoa, the insides have colors. Right there on the inside, this little piece right here, it has a color. Wow. Oh wow, it has lubricant. That's great. So a super floppy cube can do that. You can like shapeshift and stuff. Wow, it's like lubricated, and that's kind of annoying that it's lubricated. So much lubricant. Okay. I'm gonna try and get this open. What in the world? Oh! It's a super floppy fidget cube. Super floppy fidget spinner cube. Oh, it has like ball bearings or something. It like clicks in. Where you finish a move. That's cool. I like it. Oh yeah, I also got in transparent blue because black was sold out. That looks really cool on camera. Oh yeah, I think it has the right color. Yeah, it has the right color scheme. The original super floppy cube that I have does not have the right color scheme. And that's annoying, because I want the right color scheme. Anyway, so yeah, that's the main reason I got this, to get the right color scheme and to be able to turn it without worrying about stickers peeling off. Because it's stickerless. I think that's it. I forgot to open the fruit. The fruit bag. I forgot about it. I completely forgot about the fruit. There we go, fruit. Please stand by. We are having technical difficulties with getting our cubes out of boxes. There we go. Got the apple. Wow. That probably hurt ears. We got the banana. And we have the lemon. So yeah, these are gonna be really fun. Also on the inside, they have like what would be really inside if you cut one of these. Unfortunately, the banana does not have anything on the inside. It has screws. That's not what you would find on inside a banana. Anyway, the banana is not a 3x3 like these two. It's not a 3x3. It is actually a 2x2x3. It turns in that same way. They're good. I like them. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please tell me. Just tell me if you liked it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Goodbye. Whoa, that looks cool. See ya.